My name is Jimmy Lowe, and I'm originally from Nashville, Tennessee, but I moved up to Monette, Missouri 2 years ago. I've been dealing with having bad teeth for, probably 30 years. Lost a couple of teeth and was having some pain, and it just looked awful. So I just decided to take the plunge. The hardest part of dealing day to day with having my bad teeth was just looking in the mirror and seeing, gaps, and it was just, and chewing was not working out so great. My teeth, the way they were, it was bad for my self-esteem because I just looked in the mirror and it looked nothing like when I was younger and they were good teeth. And it just was bad for my self-esteem. I tried other dentists and I had probably 6 implants total separately, but they didn't improve my smile per se. I just wanted to get it all done at one whack by a really competent dentist.
When Jimmy came in, he said he was pretty much basically tired of dealing with teeth, or he wanted something that he could depend on. We discussed all. He had no doubt in his mind he wanted fixed, and that was all he's been interested in.
I first heard about Dr. Schneider on the internet. I really researched a lot, and matter of fact, I tried 3 other implant places, and Dr. Schneider impressed me the most, so I chose him. The Dr. Schneider absolutely made me feel at ease almost from the get-go because I could tell immediately he was an expert. He knew what he was doing. He explained things where I could understand them, and he answered all of my questions to a T. I was very impressed with the whole team here at Secure Dentures and Implants. They were all super friendly and very courteous and helpful setting up all the appointments.
Well, for Jimmy, we just basically presented the fix because he came in and basically told us that he's done his research and that's about the only way he wanted to go. He did entertain the snap-in, but he said the fix sounded like exactly what he wanted.
I wasn't really that nervous on the day of the surgery. Like I said before, I'm what you call a dental veteran. I've had so much work done, and I had full confidence in Dr. Schneider. He has really big arms, and I think you really need that when you're having a lot of work done. Nothing surprised me about the after surgery, but except that it wasn't nearly as bad as I thought it would be, and I only really experienced much pain for like 1 or 2 or even 3 days. When I first saw my smile in the mirror after it was all in place, it was a transcendental moment almost. You just can't put it into words, the good feeling you get. My wife was with me when I got my last visit, and she was very, very pleased and impressed, as was I. People still recognize me when I got home, but they were simply amazed, and they did say that I looked like a whole different and better person.
Jimmy did want the Hollywood smile. I do think some people it works very well. It does work very well for him. He wanted the bright white smile, and we got him exactly what he wanted.
What's different about my life now is I look in the mirror every morning when I get up, and I see beautiful, beautiful teeth like I've always wanted and never really had, even when I was a teenager. And chewing is easier. Everything's better. It's almost a life-changing experience. There was one meal that I really missed the most, and that was a charcoal steak that I made myself. And matter of fact, I had my first one yesterday, and it was delicious. I just smile all the time. I'm a happy-go-lucky person anyway, and I smile a lot, but now I just grin like Davy Crockett. It's made all the difference in the world. It's how I feel about myself. I'm 100% satisfied and very pleased with how I look and feel.
Jimmy's always been Jimmy, but now he has a smile to match who Jimmy is.
It was definitely worth it, and I will say to have this done, and I will say this, I saved money coming to Dr. Schneider. He was much more reasonable than several of the other places I visited. I would say that if you're a little hesitant or apprehensive about having this procedure done, I know it's costly, but you will save money with Dr. Schneider, and you can have 100% confidence with him. He knows what he is doing, and he does a great, great job. What sets Dr. Schneider apart from other doctors I've been to is his level of expertise and his manner. He explains things very well and where you can understand them, and he answers all of your questions fully and completely. If I had a message for Dr. Schneider, it would be thank you so much. You gave me the smile I've always dreamed about, and I could not be happier.